Hello everyone and welcome to another food vlog, and today we are at Litti Wali Chachi's stall, which is located near Nimtalla Ghat. Litti along with chokha is a complete meal originated from the Indian state of Bihar. It is also popular in Jharkhand and parts of eastern Uttar Pradesh. As you can see, these littis are dipped in ghee before they are served hot and fresh, and they smell outstanding, especially during these winters. Littis are generally dough balls made up of whole wheat flour and stuffed with gram flour pulses mixed with specific herbs and spices, and then roasted over coal or wood, and then it is tossed with pure ghee. Generally, herbs and spices used to flavor the litti include onions, garlics, ginger, coriander leaves, lime juice, cardamom seeds, salt and sweet as per taste. Tasty pickles can also be used to add the spicy flavor. It may also interest you to know that litti and chokha is not only nationally famous, but it is also eaten in foreign countries such as Mauritius and Fiji, where people from Bihar, Jharkhand and eastern UP have migrated. They took their cuisine with them, and there it became popular. Due to this, litti and chokha are famous not only in India but also in other countries. Being a staple food in parts of Bihar, Jharkhand and eastern UP, the major important thing is that it's a pocket-friendly staple for the working classes and also a healthy option in terms of proteins and nutrients. Though I have already covered a litti special, the link will be in the description, but this Chachi Ka litti that we found somehow has been a wonderful experience to have littis from. So I will just mention some details that the plate of 4 littis with the chokha and chutney costs you 40 rupees. That's like literally 10 rupees per litti, and I can assure you that they are awesome. And also I have testimonials from my friends which you can see. How does it taste? So next time when you are around Nimtalla taking a stroll by the Ganges, don't forget to say hi to Chachi and grab a plate of this pure bliss. That's it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and if there is any suggestions you want to share, please do comment. I love to read your comments. So till next time, bye bye.